We are super behind on mail times, as you guys can see. A lot of boxes here. We got 2 from Nike, 1 from Adidas, and I think that white one's from Supreme. All pretty old stuff because it was the holiday season. So yeah, let's take a look at what we got today. Stay tuned, that is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you in 2019, the first video of 2019. Well, the first recorded video of 2019, and also the first mail time of 2019. Should be a great way to start off 2019 though. So let's open them up and take a look. Before I open this though, if Nike continues to do this, man, I cannot with these guys, dude. Like, Nike branded box over here and the Just Do It tape. Like, there's so many people that hate this move, and I feel like the only people that like this move is Nike, and I have no idea why. It makes no sense. Like, it makes no sense. They want people to know that more Nike boxes are being sent out. That's the only reason I can find for it, because nobody likes these. Customers hate these boxes. I keep seeing things all over Twitter and Instagram that people's boxes are getting stolen, so they got to cut that. So Nike, you don't watch these videos, but if you do, I don't know, one of your workers or something, please just stop. Like, just stop. Don't do this. Thank you. Thank you. Let's open it up. All right, so what do we got here? So I have not seen these in person yet, and I was hoping that they look pretty clean. This is a Nike Air Skylon 2 FOG, Fog, Fear of God. So let's take a look right here. These are the Fear of God Skylon 2s, and I've heard some mixed reviews about these. Seeing them in hands, they're not that great. You guys can see the Fear of God logo right here. Everything else just feels like kind of plasticky and not so great. I wanted to keep them, but I don't think I can. They're just not that nice in person, man. And that happens sometimes, you know, like you buy a shoe or you see a shoe online and it's like, okay, that looks really clean, I want to check it out. And then you get it in hand and you're like, I just wasted 120 bucks on this. I don't even know what this costs, 150 bucks, something like that. Had fog on it, so you would expect that there would be like good resale value too, which there's not. So one of the bad things about Nike are their boxes, but one of the great things is that you can actually return any item you get within 30 days, no questions asked. So these will probably be going back to store because I do not think there's any resale on these. There was, and if it was like even like you get your money back via StockX, then I would have just sold it via StockX, you know, and up your whatever seller rating by 1 sale. You guys should probably do it too. Like, instead of returning it, if you can get the same amount of value back on StockX, even if you're not making any money, I would sell it on there rather than return it, you know? Smart idea. This box is pretty dope though. I like the box. I don't know if that counts for anything, but yeah, this ain't bad. All right, so we got one more Nike box, and I'm assuming I'm not gonna like these either. Been hearing a lot of bad things about them. So we got a Jordan 1 box, size 11, and what do we have here? Oof, I've never seen these in hand yet. These aren't as bad as people are saying. Oh, well, actually, the leather's not very good. So you guys can see right here, this is the Jordan 1 Sports Illustrators or A Star Is Born. No resale value at all. That's the first thing you guys need to know about this shoe, is that even in the size 11, they're going on StockX for 150 when retail is 160. So that tells you everything you need to know. There's not really like a high demand for it, and I can kind of see why. The swoosh is like the only thing that makes it stand out, right? Everything else looks like a standard Jordan. The leather isn't very, very good on this. Like, it's not very good. The toe box feels okay, but it's like cheap leather. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Like, you can see how very tumbled it is. So the tumble is nice. I don't know. It just feels cheap for some reason. And I mean, that shouldn't dictate, oh, do you like the shoe? Do you not like the shoe? I don't know. It doesn't feel that great. You have to see over here, it says a star on one side. Is born on the other. Other than that, that's like the only markings on this thing, other than the swoosh obviously, that make it like a unique shoe. So again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one, but you guys could do the same trick if you guys want, or you guys bought these. Instead of losing money by selling it on StockX because they're going for under retail now, you could just return them back to Sneakers app and get your full money back. It's always good to take a stab on these. Like, if you're looking at resale only, it's always good to take a stab, because if it doesn't pan out, you can return it, you know? So that's how that goes. But again, if you find somebody that wants the shoe really bad, sell it to them for retail. You know, like, just be a good person. You don't need to make money on every single shoe. With that being said, if you guys do want these ones for retail, 160 or whatever it was, hit me up. Maybe it's cheaper than buying on StockX. I'm not too sure. If not, I will be returning it back to Sneakers app though, probably. It kind of just sucks, man. Sometimes it just doesn't pan out. So this box is going to be from Supreme. I believe it was not the last week, but the week before the last Supreme drop of fall 2018. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, I'm kind of looking forward to this one, man. I know what it is, and I'm kind of excited. Supreme bag, small bag. Some box logos in here too, it's always good. And the real prize in here though is this Supreme bear, dude. What the heck? I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, man, to be honest. It's like ridiculous, like literally a Supreme bear. And I feel like my bear's legs are like broken. What the heck? Why is his leg broken? Does it rotate? Oh, it rotates. Okay, because I was gonna say my bear's leg is broken. Anyway, these things are actually like going for insane amounts of money. Like, I didn't think there would be crazy resale on these, but they're going for like, I think about 260 or something on StockX. And before, they were going for like 300 bucks, which is insane. This is like a freaking stuffed animal wearing a Supreme hoodie. You know, like, that's it. It's just a stuffed bear. But again, that's what hype is. You know, like, people bought bricks from Supreme that said Supreme on it, and that's going for a lot of money too. Accessories like this will always go up over time, so I'll probably end up holding that one. Not sure yet though. Unless Kuma wants it, you know. Kuma, do you want this? Do you want this, bear? You want this? Ah, there's Coombs. Kuma, do you want this, bear? You want this? Look, it's a hype beast bear. You want this? No? Delilah, do you want this? They're not hype beasts, man. They don't want it. Let me finish this video. Anyway, Supreme Bear. Got this one manually as well. It's not very difficult, guys. Just like I was saying, watch that Supreme video. I'll link it up here, I guess, of how to cop Supreme. It's very easy to cop manually. It's not like 100% accurate, but it does up your chances a lot. And this last one, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm actually excited for this. And you guys will probably be surprised of why I am. Open this up real quick. Adidas packaging for the most part, pretty inconspicuous. That's nice. Good job, Adidas. This one, guys, is that new 350 Boost that everybody has been talking about. The Statics. Let's take a look. I haven't seen these in person yet, so this should be fun. Interesting shoe, guys. You guys can see over here, this is the Yeezy Boost Static, non-reflective. If we got the reflective, that would have been dope, but those were a Yeezy Supply exclusive. Yeah, you guys have seen a lot of these already, so I'm not gonna go over it super in depth, but I will give you my personal opinion on these, and I do think these are actually kind of a dope sneaker. Weird, right? Like, all of a sudden I'm into Yeezys. I don't get it either, but I do want to have one personal pair for myself just because it is unique, and I honestly feel like these will go up in value over time. It's like the first Yeezy model to have like this see-through look, and I don't know, I mean, just the colors are very neutral, it's very clean, so I have a good feeling that they'll continue to raise in value. I would hold on to them if you guys are looking to resell, but if you guys want to wear them as well, I think they're just a very nice looking shoe overall. Again, weird, I don't know what the heck's going on with my head thinking about Yeezys, but maybe it's because nobody likes them anymore, and now I can finally like be like, okay, it's not about hype, it's just not a bad shoe. They will never supersede my Jordan 1 love, my Jordan 4 love, my Nike love. There's very few Yeezy 350s that I like. This one is not bad, and the Sesames I love, so that's about it. Anyway, that is it for this mail time. First mail time of 2019. Like I said, a lot of older stuff, but we do have other mail coming in soon, so those will be a lot more cool. Obviously, we're coming in 2019 with the beater boxes. We're still coming in with the hype boxes, hype beast mystery boxes, all of that stuff. So stay tuned, there will be a lot of that and a whole bunch of new content as well. So I'll try my best to continue to upload like I have been in 2018. I do have a new job, so it will be a little bit different, and I mean, there's still a transition for me there, so kind of bear with me on that, guys. Thank you guys for the guys that were watching in 2018, and thank you guys for the ones watching in 2019. I love all of you guys are the best. Untitled Hana for life, baby. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel already, be sure to hit that sub button down below. Be sure to hit that like button if you guys did like this video, if you guys want to support me, be part of that Untitled Hana. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!